guys, we got Matt with Power King. He's going to be installing one of the Omni Containment Systems access armor panels. You can see we've already got the template up there. Matt's going to kind of walk you through what he's doing. Matt, what kind of tool are you using?
I'm using just an impact drill.
Okay.
You can use smaller drill bits if you want. And then you put your template on, make sure it's going to fit. And then the easiest way is just to drill a hole alternating each corner, every other corner. So that is just to set up to get your jigsaw blades in, and that will allow you to now cut all around your template, no problem, with no more drilling. Then I find it's easiest you cut the two longer cuts first, and then you just have the smaller cuts to go. Keeps it a bit more stable.
There's grease in there.
Oh yeah, this one's greasy.
And it shows you the importance of an access door, huh?
So, for that one, we're gonna have to get some scraping done in there first.